If you've just bought yourself a Lorus digital timepiece, this guide will help you to set your time and date quickly and easily. First though, you'll need to make sure you're on the time and calendar display. You can click through each display by pressing the mode button on the bottom left of the case. The top right of the display will indicate what mode you're currently in, and the calendar mode will show your current date, in this instance the 21st. To change the time and calendar, we'll start by pressing the Set Reset button on the bottom right of the case. You'll notice the seconds indicator is now flashing, which means it's been selected. Pressing the Start Stop button, located on the top right of the case, will reset this value. It's best to use a clock to get this timing just right. You can cycle through the rest of the settings by pressing Mode, and first we'll go to our hour digits. Simply press the Start Stop button to raise the time by 1 hour each press. Press Mode again and we'll reach the minute digits. Again, we can press Start to raise the value until we're at the current time. Our next value is the current month, seen flashing on the left. We can adjust this using Start Stop and press Mode again to change the date the same way. Next, we have the day of the week. Let's change this to our current day, which is a Sunday. A final mode press will take us to the 24-hour or 12-hour setting. Let's change it to 24 hours to see how it looks. Pressing Mode again will repeat the cycle at the seconds digit, while a Set Reset press will take us out of settings. And that's all there is to it. You should be able to go through and change each setting to your liking and you're good to go. Good luck.